Alright, so originally from the dash, I had a wire running all the way up to here on this fuse, add a fuse. That's what it looks like, add a fuse. The bottom fuse is for the fuse box, and the top fuse is what fused this line right here. And what I was doing was pulling a accessory wire into the dash to power up the aftermarket radio, because you lose that whenever you take the factory radio out. But since then, I've added a second alternator, and I have it coming off of a relay and pull an accessory from right here to turn on the sense wire. So I decided I'm gonna try to find somewhere else to put my ACC for the radio, and here's where I put it. Right up under here, there is a brown wire. This is a 2002 Chevy Trailblazer, and I'm gonna take my prong and put it there, and as you can see, it's 0.3. Now, see if I can, so now I got my prong still laying right there. No funny stuff. And that's your switched power. Okay, so you can use that wire right there. Make sure that you use one of these to, tap into the wire and test it first before you sit there and just going, stripping wires. As you can see, it went back down, no voltage on it. And I'll show you one more time. Okay. If I turn the truck on, of course, here, so you don't, no funny business. There you go. Turn the truck off, no power. So that's it right there. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.